excited to race?
Yeah.
Good deal. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I'd like to welcome you all to the 21st anniversary of the Spokane Canoe Classic. What a great... We'll just go through the wall for a couple days.
Go racing.
The Canoe Classic is a combination of canoes and kayaks. It's a race from here at Corbin Park down the Spokane River all the way down to Plants Ferry, and there's two races. There's a citizens race, which is a mild river, a slow-moving river, and then there's a marathon race, which after the citizens race that ends at Harvard Road continues down to Plants Ferry, and there's some mild Class 2 water that the kayakers have to go through.
You know, we had a big headwind. I think that was the main issue. I think the second hurdle is just getting through the big rips, and then once you get past that, it's a pretty smooth finish.